Hi everyone, welcome to ChartCypher. I'm your host Salman. I'm here to help you to navigate the exciting yet sometimes confusing world of forex trading. Today we dive into the foundation of the market and the market structure as well as and how market structure actually work, right? I do a little drawing here. Let's remove up everything and do it for yourself, like for you to understand, right? So let's talk about market structure. So whether price go up or down or sometime price do like little consolidation, right? Price sometime don't go anywhere and then price try to like make a bearish movement. I mean, this is like the price structure and how price works. I mean, it's not gonna works every time, but it does work for some time, right? So if you look at the market structure, there's like key takeaway, right? There's like three key takeaway. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Okay, so let's do like to actually learn about this stuff. You have to know support and resistance first. Like this is a support and this is like a like mini resistance, right? And you could do this is like the support. Whenever price came here, you just buy, right? This is like the idea. And whenever price go there, you don't want to sell because it's an uptrend. What you do when it's make a lower low, I'll tell you like how price make higher high and lower low. So if this is when price is going down, you just sell like this lower high, right? This is the idea. I mean, I'll show you in real time when I do backtest, and you'll understand how support and resistance and the price action works and when to buy and when to sell. This is like the beginner thing, you know. As I was saying earlier, like, oh wait, where is my trading view? Okay, so as I was saying earlier, like when to actually see the chart and stuff, what you do, you come to the chart and go to the bar replay tool, right over here in bar replay tool. Just go to the random section. You know what, I'm not even gonna look at this. I'm just go to the random section. I don't know where it is. Okay, sorry about this, guys. I can't even talk today. Okay, so let's get started with this. You go there and look at this price. It's going up, right? You could do a regressional tool, and you could do the direction of the trend where it's going. Price actually in a huge downtrend, and after that it's try to correct the market and go up. So all you do, or remember this, always in current, you follow the current trend. Okay, you should follow always current trend, not anything else. Okay, so look at this. So what you do, price make this one is higher high, this one like this one is higher low. Again, this one is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it made a lower high kind of. then then again it went up, made a higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low. So based on this, like, and there is like a support here. So what you do, because it's an uptrend, you're gonna buy here, right? Buy here, right here, and like the invalidation zone right over here. And let's make 1 to 1. You can add in after that. So let's say you have 100, okay, 1k, right? Let's say you have $1,000 in your trading account, or if you're doing prop trading, whatever you're doing, right? Whatever you have, let's say you have $100, $1,000, then you buy here, right? And stop loss go to, you just drag this to like, this is the stop loss, and this is like the take profit, right? And you delete this, and you can even delete everything else, just those two. And you open a position, you go in, you buy, right? And let's say immediately price actually went down, you lost $1. If it is go there, you made money. If it is come here, you lost money. Okay, so this is the idea here. So again, price making higher high. If I see like price, if price make like a lower high, then that means a new downtrend is forming. So I'm gonna be out, right? And let's see how price actually made this. Yeah, I want you to remember this. Whatever price made lower high, you don't want to be stay in the trade. I mean, it's all subjective. It's based on the like how much, how many days you are trading. It depends on this. So let's actually add in another buy, because I think it will just break this high. Yeah. So after adding this, I increased the risk. That was $78, and if I just, I don't know how to drag this. Okay, so I also add another position. That's why it doubled the amount of money I have, and you will see this thing will be much more, like 66. Let's say 1 to 1. Okay, let's actually go there, and I'll add in another position. And look, it's actually worked out. It's actually worked out. So after in your bank account, I mean, you have 1K, right? And then you make $114 in this trade. It was 2003. It's okay. So again, let's actually. Well, I mean, if I find this kind of trend, I actually stay in the trend. Okay, so let's see the market. Okay, let's see the market here. The market is correcting once again, like this before. It's a downtrend, try to go up. So the current time frame is an uptrend. I mean, current trend is an uptrend. So all you do, you look for opportunities to buy, right? This is the idea here. So as you see, this trend is kind of broken. So I don't know what to do. I'll just wait for it. Okay. I think if you look at this, there might be a support. You see that? I mean resistance. So maybe we should go to the longer time frame trend. I mean longer trend like the bearish. So let's actually go to the, let's use this trend, right? Because markets try to make lower high and like fall back. Look at this. This is the candle that you should be thinking about. It's a low, made a lower high and just pushed back, right? And also in a support resistance zone. Okay, so all you do is sell, stop loss to this, take profit like 1 to 1. Okay, so let's sell. Okay, oh wow. Okay, let's add another position. We go all the way from this zone, you know, and we could use this regression tool. What is it called? Regression? Yeah, regression trend. So we could use that. Maybe we should add another position. Hopefully, yep. Let's add another position. Maybe it's not gonna work out. Yep. Holy shit. Okay. See? Okay, 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 okay. I should have add like here. My bad. I'll add now. Sell. Hopefully it's go to my take profit. You know. Let's actually close all position. Yeah. I mean, I could still hold it. So this is like the idea here, right? This is how you trade with this regression tool, or you could do like support and resistance, right? Like here, you sell here and you buy there. This is the idea. And I'll show you, I'll keep posting new videos. I'll show you more stuff, how it works, and I'll do a full back test in every single pair, one by one, right? So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and we'll have to go a long way to there. If you follow me, you'll learn trading the easiest way possible. And I mean, trading is risky, maybe you're gonna lose all your money, but still, you'll learn the easiest way. That's it. Sub to a channel would be really good. Thanks, brother.